Namaste Vidyarthini Mitra Maitrinino. Last time we learned the meaning of sequence and arithmetic progression. गेल्या तासाला आपण पाहिलं की सिक्वेन्स म्हणजे काय आणि arithmetic progression म्हणजे काय. Today we are going to learn the new topic, that is nth term of an arithmetic progression. How to find nth term of given arithmetic progression. जे दिलेल्या अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन मधील nवे पद कसं शोधायचं हे आपण आज पाहणार आहोत. दिस इज द फॉर्म्युला टू फाइंड द nth टर्म ऑफ अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where Tn means nth term, a means first term and d means common difference. एका उदाहरणाच्या साहाय्याने आपण पाहूया. लेट अस लर्न वन एक्झाम्पल फॉर द ॲप्लिकेशन ऑफ दिस फॉर्म्युला. हा फॉर्म्युला वापरून आपण दिलेल्या अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन मधील nवे पद कसं शोधायचं हे आज पाहणार आहोत. सी फॉर एक्झाम्पल, फाइंड सिक्स्थ टर्म ऑफ द अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन 12, 16, 20, 24 अप टू इन्फिनिटी. ओरली सुद्धा आपण 6 टर्म शोधू शकतो. दिस इज द फर्स्ट टर्म, second, third, fourth. If you observe, there is a difference of 4. 12 plus 4, 16. This is T1. This is T2. T3. T4. Means 12 plus 4, 16 plus 4, 20 plus 4, 24. 24 plus 4, 28. 28 plus 4, that is 32. So our sixth term, this is the T5 and T6. Our answer should be 32. Means sixth term of this arithmetic progression is 32. You calculated this answer orally. आपण तोंडी हे उत्तर काढलं. But by using formula also you can find that term directly. Because fifth term, sixth term, seventh term you can find orally. But if you have to find the 81th term, 89th term, then it is not possible orally. You require formula for that. Let us check our answer is correct or no. सहावे पद 32 येते का हे आपण पाहूया. In this arithmetic progression, see, you need a value of a and b. So a means first term, that is 12. D means common difference. Take the difference between any two consecutive term. कोणत्याही दोन क्रमागत संख्यांमधील फरक. 16 minus 12, that is 4. So value of A is 12, value of D is 4. Now they ask find the sixth term. So apply this formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, and substitute. N means sixth term, that is n means 6 here. Okay, I will rub this part. Answer everyone know. Sixth term should be 32. Orally we calculated, and here we will confirm that answer with the help of formula. Are you getting same answer or not? See, sixth term is equal to A means 12 plus n minus 1, n means that position, 6 minus 1, and d means common difference between any two consecutive term. It remains same because it is already an arithmetic progression. So substitute d means difference 4. Simplify. 12 plus, open the bracket, 6 minus 1 is 5 and 4. Here is the sign of multiplication. So 12 plus 5 4s are 20, 32. So you got T6 is equal to 32. So our answer is correct. Orally also and by formula also. This is the use of this formula of an arithmetic progression. Now we will solve practice set 3.2 by using that formula of Tn. See, practice set 3.2, question number 1. Write the correct number in the given boxes. Because in board exam we have to solve the sums as an activity based sum. Activity based sum means few boxes are given which you have to fill with correct answer. बॉक्स मध्ये आपल्याला करेक्ट उत्तर लिहायचं आहे. आता या ठिकाणी पहा, सी 1 8 15 22 dot dot dot. This is the arithmetic progression which is given and you have to answer the boxes. You have to fill the correct answer in that particular box. Now see here A is equal to, A means first term, that is 1. A means the first term, that is 1. Second, T1. Meaning of T1 and A is same. T1 means A, that is first term again. T2 means second term, 8. T3 means third term, that is 15. Fourth term is not asked. Now, T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1, that is T2 is 8 minus T1. T1 means 1. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. T3 is 15 minus T2 is 8. 15 minus 8, again answer is 7. So common difference D is the difference between two consecutive terms. कोणत्याही दोन क्रमांक संख्यांमधील फरक आला आपण कॉमन डिफरन्स डी असं म्हटलेलं आहे. Therefore D is equal to, this is the answer 7. You have to write like this. We have to solve the activity based sum. कृतीयुक्त प्रश्न आपल्याला या पद्धतीने सोडवायचे आहेत. आता याच प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.2 मधील क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 आपण पाहूया. Find the 19th term of the given arithmetic progression. See, arithmetic progression is given 7, 13, 19, 25. How to find the 19th term? So again you have to use the formula of Tn. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We require the values of A. A means first term. A means first term, that is 7. D means common difference, difference between any two consecutive terms, that is 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. And you have to find the 19th position term at the 19th position. So n is equal to 19. Now write down the formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D and substitute the values. That is T19 is equal to, A means our first term 7 plus n minus 1, n is our position, that is 90 minus 1 into D is the common difference, that is 6. Difference between any two consecutive terms, 13 minus 7, 19 minus 13, every time it will remain fixed constant, that is 6. And you have to find the term at the 19th position. This is first position, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, like that you have to find the 19th term. Orally you can't find it, so you require this formula. With the help of formula, definitely you will get the correct answer. See, 19 minus 1, that is 18 and 6. Here is the sign of multiplication. So 7 plus, do 18 into 6, that is 108. 18 into 6 is 108. And 108 plus 7 is equal to 115. So 19th term will be 115. You can write the answer. The 19th term is 115. Bracket complete. So this is the first term, second, third, fourth, like that cumulatively. 19th term will be 115. Instead of oral calculation, it will take more time. So directly you can find the 19th term with the help of this formula of nth term. So this is the application of this formula. Now practice at 3.2. Take 9th term. I am reading the 11th term and 21st term of arithmetic progression are 16 and 29. Find 41st term. Means arithmetic progression is not given. Instead of that, 11th term is 16, 21st term is 29, and you have to find the 41 term. Means the term at 41st position. So again you need a formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is question mark and d is question mark. Means if you have to find the T41, n is equal to 41, a is not given, d is not given. So we will start from the given thing. So what is given? They first provide you 11th term. So as Tn is given, we will start with that formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. As 11th term is known, here we will substitute n is equal to 11. Why n is equal to 11? Because 11th term is given. So we will start by that, substituting by n is equal to 11. A as it is, which is not known, plus n means 11 minus 1 into d is not known. So a and d remain as it is, and we have to put n is equal to 11. So you got T11 is equal to a plus 10d. But 11th term is known. 11th term is 16. But T11 is equal to 16. Therefore, 16 is equal to a plus 10d. This is equation number 1. Again use same formula. Nth term, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now take second. T21 is 29. So we will substitute here. In place of, here we substituted n is equal to 11. Now substitute n is equal to 21. Substitute n is equal to 21 because T21 is known. So here T21 is equal to a plus 21 minus 1 into d. So you got T21 is equal to a plus 21 minus 1, that is 20d. Now substitute. T21 is 29. Substitute 21th term is 29. So we got 29 is equal to a plus 20d, which is the second equation. And now if you observe first and second equation, you will come to know both the equations are simultaneous equation. By solving this equation number 1 and 2 by any method, elimination method, you will get the values of unknown. Unknown means a and d. Now let us solve that two simultaneous equation. First equation is a plus 10d is equal to 16. Second equation, a plus 20d is equal to 29. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Solve this simultaneous equation by elimination method. You know, elimination means here 1a, but in order to cancel the term, the sign should be opposite. So I will select here subtraction. Subtraction means addition by changing the sign. So you have to do addition and change each and every sign. Subtraction means addition by changing the sign. So what will happen here? Plus a and this minus a cancel. Just focus on the new signs. 10d minus 20d. Plus minus subtraction. sign of the greater, means you will get minus 10d. 20 minus 10 is 10, sign of the greater is minus. Here also 16 minus 29, plus minus, subtraction, sign of the greater. So here you will get 13 and sign of the greater is minus. So you got here minus 10d is equal to minus 13. Minus minus and get cancelled. So 10d is equal to 13. That is d is equal to 13 upon 10. That is equal to 1.3. This is the value of d. Now substitute or put d is equal to 1.3 in equation number 1. You learn in first chapter linear equation in two variable, how to solve the simultaneous equation. Substitute d is equal to 1.3 in any equation. I selected 1, first equation, that is a plus 10b is equal to 16. So here I will get a plus 10 into 1.3 is equal to 16. That is a plus, the product is 130, decimal point after one digit is equal to 16. So here you got a plus 13 is equal to 16. 13.0 means 13 only. So a is equal to 16. After shifting that plus 13 over there, it will become minus. So you got d is equal to 1.3 and a is equal to 3. These are the two values. D is 1.3, a is 3. And then just focus on our required thing. What you have to find? You have to find T41. Again formula of Tn. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. And now substitute n is equal to 41, which is our required term. T41 is equal to a is 3 plus n minus 1, that is 41 minus 1 into common difference d is 1.3. That is 3 plus 40 into 1.3. Now do the further calculation. 3 plus, here do the multiplication, you will get 520 decimal point after one digit. That is 3 plus 52, that is 55. So our answer is T41 is equal to 55. T41 is equal to 55. So 41th term is 55. Like this, we have to solve this sum, which is important. Now the ninth sum from the practice set 3.2. Listen, how many natural numbers from 10 to 250 are divisible by 4? How to solve this sum? How many natural numbers are divisible by 4 in that sequence 10 to 250? Means the number starts from 10, 11, 12, these are the 13, these are the natural numbers up to 250, that is 247, 248, 249, 250, like this roughly. This is the sequence. How many natural numbers from 10 to 250 are divisible by 4? So you have to select the number from that arithmetic progression, but condition is given divisible by 4. So which are the numbers divisible by 4? See, the numbers from 10 to 250 but divisible by 4 are, you can't take 10 as it is not divisible by 4. 11 is also not divisible by 4. So first number which is divisible by 4 is 12. 4 3s are 12. So you can write the first term which is divisible by 4 is 12. Then after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 means there is a difference of 4. 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 4 20, like this. Again, if you observe, 250 is the last digit which is not divisible by 4. It is also not divisible by 4. You have to check orally, can that number is divisible by 4 or not. If you observe, the last digit, that 248 is divisible by 4, so our last term is 248. Like this you have to prepare the arithmetic progression from the given condition, 12, 16, 20 dot 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 up to 248. Don't take the first digit as a 10 and last digit as a 250, because you have to satisfy the condition दिलेल्या अटीनुसार या ग्रुप मधील डिव्हिजिबल बाय 4 जे असलेले नंबर आहेत ते प्रथम तुम्ही लिहून घ्या. And then solve the sum. A means first term, that is 12. D is the common difference, T2 minus T1, that is 16 minus 12 is 4. Now nth term, last term, nth term is 248 and n is question mark, because you have to find how many total numbers which are divisible by 4. So for n there is, you will get question mark. Formula saying Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Tn means 248. A is the first term, 12. N you have to find, and d is the common difference. And simplify this equation. 248 is equal to 12 plus multiply by 4. 4 into n, 4n minus 4 into 1, 4. So you got 248 is equal to, these are the like terms, 12 minus 4, that is 8, plus 4n. Now take like terms, means constant at one side, that is 248 remain as it is. 248 minus 8 is equal to 4n. 248 minus 8 gives you 240 is equal to 4n. Into 4 will become here upon 4. So 60 is equal to n. Means there are totally 60 terms in that gap. 12 to 248. In this gap there are totally 60 terms you will get which are divisible by 4. So from 10 to 250, how many natural numbers are divisible by 4? The answer is there are 60 terms divisible by 4. There are 60 terms divisible by 4 in that arithmetic progression. Like this you have to write the answer. Thus the end of this topic from this chapter.